From the shores of Vanuatu, where the ocean kisses the sand, I saw you standing in the sunset glow, like a blessing from God's own hand. Your smile brighter than the morning. You laugh like the trade wind breeze. Girl, when you say my name softly, you bring this silent boy to his knees. Oh, Almighty, can't you see? You're the only one for me. You're my island queen, my sweet coconut dream dancing under moonlight by the silver sea. When you hold my hand, I feel so free. Girl, forever you and me. We walk along the jetty, where promises were made. I told you I'd work hard for us. I'll never let our love fade. Through the storms and high tide waters, through the city lights so far, no matter where life takes me, you'll always be my guiding star. If one of us rises higher, we both rise in victory. That's the vow I made to you. You're my strength, my destiny. You're my island queen, heaven sent to me. From the village to the city lights, you're my melody.